beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I am a cruelty-free MUE who also plays with makeup, and of course, if you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is actually a new month, new color, and of course, you're gonna be surprised. You're gonna be surprised what color I picked for this month. So for this year and in these coming months, I pick a color for the month and everything else, and I use that color throughout the month. It doesn't matter if it's an eyeliner, eyeshadow, or a shirt, or anything like that, as long as I have yellow. But also, you're welcome to be part of it and have fun with it. You're welcome to be part of it, and this everything else. So, whatever you want to do with this look. So, like I said, new month, new color. And I actually picked yellow. Because why not? And I got a lot of yellows throughout my palettes, which is a surprise for me. But I might as well start, well, start using the color yellow. So I'm doing a simple yellow look. Yellow and black, I believe I'm going to work with. So, yeah. I already did my face. The only thing I didn't do was my blush and highlighter and then else like that, because I really don't want to do all that mess. So, the eyeshadow primer I'm using is Milani. I do need to use some more of that. But, you know what? Because I love this stuff. I mean, this is what I go for. I have so many, but this is what I use for. For this one, I'm using the Sunset Horizons from Beauty Bay. I definitely shop on Beauty Bay again because I want more of their palettes and their products. And also, why not? So I am actually just gonna, sorry for the background noise. I'm actually gonna start using yellow. So I'm gonna use Shell as the crease. So, luckily you have a mirror, so I can use it. So, this is a nice little shade. I really don't care for elf. I really don't care for elf foundation. I don't. It's a satin finish and I really don't like it. I've used it with a beauty sponge, and I've used it with a brush, and I really don't like how it sits in my face. Yeah, I really don't like it. I'm going to use Moonlit, just this shade right here. Yellow, I know yellow's one of those colors that's really just one of those colors that I know a lot of people are afraid of, but I think yellow's just one of those colors that can work with anybody's skin tone. I'm going to use a little brown just to darken up the edges a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to use Reef. I'm going to use this color Reef. So just want to deepen that crease up. A flat shader brush to use this shade. I'm gonna use Zest because it's this shade right here, and because it's very bright, I think these colors will work on the rest of them. See, so it's not. I'm going to use Mirage. It's this shade right here. This is really shimmery color. I really do like this shimmer. Haven't used it since whatever. I'm going to put that right in the corner of the eye. My niece has sent me a lot of stuff. I went to her house to see Winter, her new baby, and just getting a little bit dressed today. And she sent me a lot of stuff, so new products and everything else. So very excited about that. So I got a lot of refills and everything else because she does use this Ipsy and everything. She buys makeup too, so she sent me a lot of stuff. So I'm actually trying out the products I've been wanting to try for quite some time. And she also sent me a new palette. Really excited about it because this is a review. Okay, since we're going to doing underneath my eye. I'm actually going to use a mix of the LA Colors Neon Yellow and the black. I'm going to use Tartist one. Okay. I really do like this one. Oh, I'm gonna get a new one because, yeah. Okay. Of course, I'm gonna use the yellow from other colors. Hopefully it works. For mascara, I'm going to use the Covergirl one, because if I find out Illamasqua does not sell my favorite mascara, to find one. So, I really like this makeup look, except for the foundation. I've used this foundation many a time, but what we're gonna do. So, this is the finished look. I know yellow is one of those colors that people don't really use, but you know what? I'm going to use them because I'm not afraid of color, as you can see. So, this is the finished look. So, mask will start the summer. Bright as day. Bright as the color. That's a yellow, even though for me, it's like raining and thunderstorming. Ha. Yeah. That's Georgia's weather. But yeah, so guys, this is the finished look, and so really good. I might say that. So this is it for today's video. If you do like this video, hit the like button, and feel free to comment what color combinations do you want to see with this with the yellow and everything else, so I know what colors to look for, and of course you'll be mentioned. And you will be mentioned. My nose is like really itchy, like one of those things. So you, of course, will be mentioned and everything else. So any color combination you want to see with yellow, please let me know. And of course, hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the Makeup Addict family. You can also see more videos like this. And don't forget, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. No matter what the weather is, good or bad, have a wonderful day. And of course, beauty can be fun and cruelty-free. And guys, I love you, and I hope I see you in my next video. And God bless. Bye.